Hi everyone, this is a video on how to install the latest version of VMware Workstation Pro. So the first thing you'll need to do is head to support.broadcom.com and you'll need to register an account. I've already registered an account, so I'm going to hit log in. You'll need to enter your username and then your password, select sign in. Once you're signed in, use the software tab in the top left and then select VMware Cloud Foundation and then My Downloads. On the My Downloads page, you can see all the free software downloads available by clicking here. And it's in the bottom right of the first tab. You'll see VMware Workstation Pro, select that. And then it will list all the available versions for VMware Workstation Pro for both Windows and Linux. I'm using Windows, so I'm selecting 26H1 for Windows, and then you'll need to select the release version by clicking here. You'll see the download file by scrolling right, and then the download button is right here. It just takes a few seconds to download. It's not a hefty file, and once it downloads, you'll just need to open and run the file. Select yes, and it will prepare for installation. It will open up a setup wizard for you to begin the install. Select next on the first page. They have a EULA, so you have to accept that and then go next, and you'll have to select next again. Then it will show the location you want to install VMware Workstation. This looks pretty good for me, so I'm selecting next. Another user experience setting agreement, so I don't want to join the customer experience program, so I'm unchecking that, and I do want to check for product updates on startup, so I'm keeping that one checked, then selecting next. Here it's asking you to select how you would like your shortcuts set up. So I do prefer to have both a desktop and a start menu folder, but you can uncheck if you just prefer to have one. Once all looks good, select next one more time, and then finally install. It will begin installing VMware, which takes about a moment. And once that's finished, you'll go ahead and select the Finish button. So now you should see VMware downloaded on your computer, and if you selected the desktop icon, you'll just be able to click it here and open. If you uncheck that desktop icon, you'll just need to search for it here on your start menu. So that's how you download it. If you guys have questions, go ahead and drop them in the comments, and once again, thanks for watching.